Hey there, food lovers! Today, we're going to explore a mouth-watering dish that's perfect for seafood lovers, fish with kimchi. Kimchi, a traditional Korean dish, is a spicy and tangy fermented vegetable dish, typically made with cabbage, radishes, or cucumbers. When paired with fish, it creates a delightful fusion of flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. Let's start. Sauté onions and ginger in a large pan. The combination of these two ingredients creates a harmonious balance of flavors that will leave you wanting more. So, if you're in the mood for a seafood adventure, give fish with kimchi a try. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy eating!